Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Drink to Shrink 4-week program where you can lose 5 pounds a week for as little as $25. There's no pills and no potions necessary in order for you to experience this change. It's literally as simple as drinking to shrink. If you look here to the right of the screen, these are my incredible friends, Jessica and her husband. They did an incredible transformation, over 60 pounds between both of them with the Drink to Shrink product. Now, let's get straight to the point. Why is this program different than anything else? We cut our customers to 48 because we care. A lot of times on social media, when people are selling a health product, they just want to sell to as many people as possible. And we decided with our Drink to Shrink family that we wanted to dedicate our attention to the 48 people who say yes to our Drink to Shrink 4-week program. So the person who invited you to this presentation is dedicated to your extreme weight loss with the Drink to Shrink program. So, what is causing the weight loss? If you can see here, Travis experienced an incredible face transformation with Drink to Shrink. This is the powerful Drink to Shrink herbal blend. It's 100% natural. This is a caffeine free drink. And with our product, you literally can drink to shrink on our 12-calorie program where you're still able to eat and see tremendous results. So, what is this incredible looking juice? I love this picture here because the drink tastes as good as it looks. But what is this? So, this picture on the left is these are the 9 powerful ingredients that you see on the right. Some of the ingredients are the holy thistle, malva leaf, marshmallow leaf, blessed thistle, papaya, ginger, chamomile, and myrrh. These probably seem very familiar to you from the Bible. We know that the wise men brought some of this to Jesus. But what's really incredible is a lot of people don't know that the holy thistle has been used for over 2,000 years to clean out the body. It's packed with antioxidants to keep the body extremely healthy. The blessed thistle, it was given a reputation as a cure for all because of the incredible detoxification that it does to the liver. It is great for purifying the blood and it helps with circulation. Ginger it stimulates the digestive system. So what it helps with is to get your body burning calories and burning fat naturally. It helps to remove unwanted chemicals from your body. It is also known to suppress the appetite. So if you're like me, where you start the diet and then all of a sudden you get this hunger strike, ginger is going to help with that. And it also helps to get the metabolism riled up. Now, the chamomile gas, it helps reduce bloating. It boosts the immune system. It helps fight with anxiety and depression. It's a pain reliever. It controls blood sugar levels. So for people who have a problem with insulin resistant issues, this is seriously going to impact your life in such an incredible way because this is not just a weight loss drink, guys, but this is a health drink. Now, the marshmallow leaf is a very calm diuretic, okay? So a lot of people ask me when they start to drink the drink, will they go to the bathroom, a lot? No, it's a calm diuretic, all right? It helps to flush out excess fluids and it helps to cleanse the kidneys and the bladder. The malva leaf is a plant that contains a number, okay, of active ingredients to help with human health, and it is a mild diuretic as well. And then you have the myrrh. Now that was the first time that I heard about myrrh being an ingredient. I'm like, okay, wait a minute. Isn't that what the wise men brought to Jesus? But what's really cool about it is that it's an anti-inflammatory. So it helps reduce pain. It detoxes the liver and the kidney. It improves the skin. It aids in keeping the thyroid balanced and active. And it also has anti-cancer benefits, all right? The permission leaf helps to reduce the blood pressure. It supports the immune system. It increases the metabolism. So you're seeing here a lot of these ingredients help to get the body running the way that it's supposed to. All right. It also helps in fighting cancer, and it helps to keep the body circulating the correct way. And then you have papaya, which helps for a lot of women to regulate your menstrual cycle We had a lady who had an issue having kids, and literally she detoxed on the drink to shrink for about 3 months. And she actually took the drink because the doctor was going to give her a prescription to help her eggs drop. And by the time she got to her third month of this drink, she got pregnant naturally. All right. The